Hello students, welcome to my class. Today we will look into Mathematics Year 6, topic numbers and operations. And our quest for today is to be able to find unknowns. So let's look into a question. Here we have a question. For 3 over 10 million, which is what we call as a fractions million, plus S is equivalent to 7.092 million, which is a decimal million. Now, first of all, S is our unknown. We have to find the value of S. However, in order for us to do this, we have to also be able to convert this as well. But let's start with a simple example. Let's say, okay, whenever it comes to unknowns, I always explain it this way, and I would like you to learn it this way as well, so that in the future, come any questions with unknown, you can always use this method. Now, this method, I would call it the use an easy example method. Now, what is this easy example method? Okay, it goes with the title, easy example. What is easy example? Let's rewrite or recreate this question in a simpler manner. What is 4 plus something and it gives you 7? 4 plus something gives you 7. Now, this, even a standard 1 child is able to do it now. You know that this something, okay, is actually 3. Okay? Sorry, in fact, I should have actually written not S here. 4 plus something gives you 7. This something is your S, your unknown. But you know, this is so easy. Your answer is 3. My question is, how did you get the 3? How did you arrive at the 3 using 4 and 7? Did you take 4 plus 7, or did you take 4 minus 7? What did you do with 7 and 4 to get to 3? So this is where you need to think. How do I get 3 using 7 and 4? To do that, I would need to take 7 and minus with 4. Only when I do this, I will get the answer 3. You see that? So now, your 3 is this unknown here. Your 4 is this one, this first number here that you know. And this 7 here is this 7.092 million. Now we replace it. So in order for us to find our S, what do? We take the 7, which is now 7.092 million, and minus with our 4. What is our 4? Our 4 is 3 over 10 million. So what is happening here is, I'm using an easy example here, to come up with my solution. How do I get my unknown? I take 7 minus 4. Then I replace this 7. I know this 7 is the value is actually originally here, and the 4 is actually this one. Then I put in those numbers from the question, and I will get my answer. This is the easiest way for you to understand what is unknown. Using an easy example, you can actually solve it. Now, finally, you clear all this, and we know to find your unknown, you need to take this one minus 3 over 10. So now, change it to a whole number. 7,092,000 minus 4,000,000. 3 over 10 million is 300,000. Work out the standard written method and you will arrive at your answer. Okay, so clear the drawing and let's move on to the next question. Here, the unknown is in the beginning part. And then unknown minus something, it gives you this. So let's use the easy example method again. So now remember, unknown minus something gets you an answer. That means this unknown must be quite a big number. So let's say I do not know what that number is. However, when I minus, let's say I minus 2. And I get my answer, say 6. Okay, something minus 2 gives me 6. What could that be? What could that something be? You see that? Something minus 2 gets me 6. You can actually work this out even with your finger. Obviously, the answer is 8. Yes, 8 minus 2 gives me 6. But my question would be, how did you get the 8 using 2 and 6? What did you do to 2 and 6 to get 8? Did you add? Did you multiply? Did you subtract? No, yes, you added both. 2 plus 6 gives you 8. So what do? You take 6 and you plus with 2. You see that? So 6 plus 2 gives you 8. So in the similar manner, you link this up now. This 2 is your 1/3/5 million, and this 6 is your 4.75 million. So how do you find your S? To find my S, okay, just like how you found your 8 here, I take my 6 and plus with 2. So what is my 6? It's 4.75 million. And I will plus with 1/3/5 million. 1/3/5 million. Work this out. Okay, after that, you can clear this easy example. Now you have already found the way to answer this unknown. Can you see that? So all you need to do is write the full number out. What is 4.75 million? It's 4,750,000. That's your full number. And then you're supposed to do an addition. So plus with 1/3/5 million. So 1/5 million you have learned is 200,000. Am I right? So what is 3/5 million? That's 600,000. Okay, watch the previous video on converting fraction millions to whole numbers if you still do not understand this part. And then, of course, we have 1 million here. So plus 1,600,000. That would be your full whole number. And then do the addition. 0, 0, 0, 0, 5, 7 plus 6, 13. Carry up 1, 4, 5, 6. So 6,350,000 is your answer. All right, I hope you understood this. Watch the video again to get a deeper understanding. Thank you very much.